This hermit has found herself a more modern home in a mackerel tin. With so few shells around, it's an ingenious solution. And she's not alone. This is a fast-growing trend. An aluminium fizzy drink can makes a lightweight home that's worth fighting for.